HMA's role, right from the beginning, was to focus on all those companies who do have marvellous products. The Hunter's full of those sort of companies, but they don't like to tell anyone about it. I thought, we could do this in the Hunter. It'd be just on companies trying to better themselves, and of course by doing that it encourages the smaller companies around the town to step up another level, and that's why we have the awards program.
HMA really came at the right time to give us recognition for what we do and hopefully continue to attract people into the industry.
Now Carol, she was the backbone and really got out there. Everyone loves Carol.
I first became involved in Hunter Manufacturing Awards late 2006 when they asked me if I might be interested in assisting the board. In January 2007, I accepted the role and I remained in that role for the next 16 years.
We are still, and always have been, an engineering-based manufacturing powerhouse. As we transition away from that engineering base, we're heading into different areas, and we see that in the award nominations that are coming through.
The thing that I have seen change the most within HMA is the change in the nature of the organisations that are applying. In the early days, it was generally the larger end of town, the well-recognised and the well-known businesses. In more recent times, we've seen a greater emergence of startups and small business that are doing some amazing products and amazing outcomes, bringing new capability to the region and certainly showcasing the capability of the people that are here.
The breadth of different manufacturing industries that apply for the awards has really shown the diversity of that manufacturing strength in the Hunter region.
I joined the board in 2017. I really did ruffle some feathers though, because I was trying to suggest new and dynamic and digital, a lot of social media kind of activity. They weren't quite willing to hand over the reins easily, but slowly and surely over time, I built trust and sort of proved there was new ways to bring new people and new manufacturers into the mix for the HMAs, and now this is my 8th year on the board. I really hope that HMA provides those amazing manufacturers the opportunity to just really stop and reflect on where they're at, how they've grown over the last 12 months.
I have some wonderful memories of the awards nights. I can remember winners who actually skipped down the red carpet to go on the stage. There were other companies who were really cool, calm and collected and quite unfazed, and there were others that were just jumping for joy. It was absolutely amazing. I also have great fondness of the theme nights that HMA used to have. We had anything from Grease Lightning to Rocky Horror, The Great Gatsby. We had the French night. It was wonderful to see the guests really get into the theme of the night and make a great effort. They were really good times.
I turned up one night on my Harley Davidson and rode onto the stage there at the Workers Club, which was frightening in itself. That were the sort of things that people laughed about and carried on, and it was just a fun night.
The first year I attended, it was the Australian themed year. Here's the likes of Andrew Gresham in this wild, and I mean really wild, bright yellow and green suit. And I actually think that Carol might have come dressed as Crocodile Dundee. I'm not sure. Another memory that I have is the year that we had to live stream the awards due to the COVID lockdowns. It was a tiny little space. The production team, Carol, Adrian and I were working off a drum kit on the night. A special memory though was the delightful Sonia James, who won our Rising Star Award that night. She came across on the live stream to accept the award. She was looking amazing in her beautiful sari and her microphone was on mute. So we made the decision to try and bring her back later in the evening. And I tell you what, that was absolutely the highlight of the evening. I think she had hundreds of her family watching the awards night from India. And she was just an absolute delight. She was so excited to have won the award and a real demonstration of what the Manufacturing Awards are all about. But yeah, that was a really special evening and one that we won't forget for some time.
I first got involved in the Hunter Manufacturing Awards with my role at Downer. We have a lot of operational sites here in the Newcastle area in the manufacturing sector, and and we saw it as a great opportunity to get involved with the local industry. So Downer has been a major sponsor of the Hunter Manufacturing Awards for the last 18 years, and we look forward to continuing that relationship well into the future. Downer has been at the forefront of manufacturing passenger trains for many years. We've recently won the Queensland Train Manufacturing Program, where we're building 65 six-car sets for the Queensland Government for the Olympics. We've also just recently built 70 in Victoria for the high-capacity metro trains. So moving forward for the New South Wales Government, we look forward to having the opportunity to build them here with as much local content as possible to drive local industry, improve the skills shortage and set up a great supply chain in the local area.
Happy 20th anniversary HMA, and I'm really looking forward to what the future holds.
Congratulations HMA. Who would have thought 20 years ago that it would be as strong as it is today, and we expect it to be strong in another 20 years' time.
I am disappointed that I can't be there on the night. Just remember that I'll be sitting on the beach in Varley drinking 20 bintangs just to celebrate your wonderful night.
Happy 20th anniversary HMA. To those that established it and those that will see it prosper into the future. Wishing everybody in the manufacturing sector a very successful and prosperous future.